In the pre-dawn darkness, a series of explosions shook Western Russia. This was no accident, but a strike at the heart of a vital logistics hub. The project, backed by Chinese investment, was valued at $9 billion. It was meant to be a showpiece of Eurasian trade and economic resilience. Now the facility reportedly lies in smoldering ruins, a devastating blow. Analysts say this strike hit the very backbone of the Russo-Chinese lifeline. It functioned as a vital rail corridor linking Russia to supply routes into Asia. Designed to skirt sanctions, it allowed industrial components to flow freely. This hub was the crown node of the Siberian corridor, a key trade artery. Beijing had been quietly nurturing this artery to prop up Moscow's economy. Ukrainian intelligence sources claim the attack was a long-planned operation. It targeted the logistics hub near Bryansk, central to Russia's operations. Reports indicate Ukrainian drones struck with high precision. Warehouses, train depots, and fuel storage facilities were engulfed in flames. The night shift crew scrambled to evacuate as secondary explosions began. Satellite images showed a blackened scar stretching across several kilometers. To understand the gravity of this event, we must examine how this project came to be. Following the first wave, the explosions occurred at approximately 3 to 5 a.m. local time. The hub was a joint logistics operation between Russia and China. It was intended to boost Russia's wartime economy. The facility was designed to bypass international sanctions. Dual-use electronics could flow freely through the corridor. The attack targeted warehouses and fuel storage. The region near Bryansk has become central to Russia's cross-border operations. The extent of the destruction is now clear. The Bryansk region, now key to Russian logistics. Ukrainian drones struck with pinpoint accuracy. Warehouses, depots, and fuel facilities ablaze. Night shift crews evacuated amidst explosions. Satellite images reveal a blackened scar. Understanding the gravity requires examining its origins. Western sanctions isolated Russia from supply chains. Moscow turned to Beijing for trade and investment. Energy, minerals, and trade terms were offered. China gained access to discounted Russian resources, expanding its Belt and Road Initiative into Europe. The trade corridor was more than economic. It was a political statement against global condemnation. Moscow and Beijing forged their own order. A $9 billion investment in infrastructure. Railways, processing centers, and logistics hubs. The Bryansk hub, the crown jewel of the effort, serving as the interchange between cargo systems. Precision suggests detailed intelligence. Facility layout, supply flows, and operational schedule. Timing was not coincidental, analysts believe. Shipment of turbines and microchips had arrived, potentially repurposed for Russian military manufacturing. Destruction represents a massive financial loss. Beyond economic damage, a symbolic loss. Attack exposes the vulnerability of Moscow's. The strike's precision hints at detailed Ukrainian intelligence. Analysts suspect the timing was not a coincidence at all. A turbine shipment arrived from China just days before. The cargo's destruction represents a massive financial blow. Beyond economics, the symbolic loss is staggering. Moscow faces exposure of its vulnerable infrastructure. Beijing suffers a significant diplomatic embarrassment. China was the silent guarantor of Russia's economic survival. That delicate balance appears to have been shattered. Russia initially claimed the explosions were accidents. Videos on social media contradicted the official narrative. Videos showed massive fireballs and collapsing hangars. Beijing's response was muted, expressing concern. Diplomatic channels were active behind the scenes. Anxiety grows about Sino-Russian cooperation. For Ukraine, this was more than just a tactical victory. It was a clear message to disrupt Russian logistics. Kiev demonstrated its capacity to disrupt global networks. No alliance can shield Russia from the consequences. The strike comes amid Western scrutiny of Beijing. Beijing is under increasing Western scrutiny. The attack exposes the vulnerability of critical infrastructure. The strike was a clear message of disruption. No foreign partnership can shield Russia. The intended message seems very clear. The strike's fallout includes anxiety about Sino-Russian cooperation. For Ukraine, it's a message disrupting Russian logistics. Kyiv shows capacity to disrupt global networks sustaining Moscow. No alliance can shield Russia from the consequences of aggression. Beijing faces scrutiny for supporting Russia through indirect channels. Facility destruction exposes China's risks in maintaining its position. Investments are not immune to war, a harsh reality. Ukraine's strategy evolves, dismantling Russia's infrastructure. Strikes penetrated deeper into Russian territory, targeting financial arteries, sustaining the war. Ukrainian drones improve, even protected sites aren't safe. Loss of facility will reverberate across both nations. Russia loses a crucial supply chain to Chinese support. Destroyed materials were for rebuilding power grids. Materials also intended for maintaining defense production. For China, it's a blow to credibility. Project backed by major state-owned enterprises. Loss could trigger internal reassessments of Russian ventures. Attack undermines Kremlin's message of resilience. Destroyed hub showcased Russia's ability to thrive under sanctions. Its loss paints a different picture. A picture of vulnerability and dependence. The attack highlights strategic vulnerabilities. The incident raised questions about future cooperation. The destruction points to Chinese industrial support. These materials were intended for power grid rebuilding. Analysts suggest this is a blow to China's credibility. The destroyed hub was a showcase of thriving under sanctions. Its loss paints a picture of dependency and fragility. Russian markets reacted sharply, the ruble sliding. Transport stocks plummeted after the attack. The impact on the Russian populace is unmistakable. Russia relied on its vast geography as a strategic shield. Distance equated to safety, a long-held belief. Ukrainian drones have turned that advantage into an illusion. The belief that Ukraine can't reach us is disappearing. Growing anxiety replaces the old belief. For China, the consequences are subtle but serious. Beijing's strategy is to expand influence across Eurasia. Russia was a critical partner in that vision. The destruction exposes the vulnerability of China's network. Chinese projects are not untouchable, the message suggests. Beijing must confront an uncomfortable truth. Its economic bets are entangled in a volatile war. This complicates China's geopolitical balancing act. China has benefited from discounted resources. The costs of this alignment are rising. Every destroyed asset forces Beijing to choose. The strike sends a clear message: Chinese projects are not untouchable. Beijing now confronts an uncomfortable truth: its bets are entangled. China benefits from discounted Russian resources, maintaining neutrality. Ukraine's strikes increase the costs of this alignment for China. Every destroyed asset forces a choice: tighten ties or recalibrate. Western governments praise Ukraine's strategic success in response. Analysts note pressure on Moscow's war economy is further tightening. Western agencies track Chinese firms supplying dual-use goods to Russia. The hub's destruction disrupts key supply routes for these goods. China must reconsider how far it can go without punitive measures. Satellite data shows a halt in cargo movement on key rail lines. Customs offices, slow operations, citing infrastructure reviews. Beijing appears to be assessing risk after the infrastructure damage. A $9 billion investment destroyed raises urgent security questions. This impacts global trade corridors, creating economic uncertainty. Shipping volumes drop sharply along the northern corridor. Insurance premiums surge for cargo crossing Russian territory. Attention shifts to the middle corridor, bypassing Russia. The strike may redirect the flow of future trade away from Moscow. The event further isolates Russia on the international stage. Even countries that once viewed Moscow with some favor now reconsider. The strike serves as a stark warning about the risks involved. The economic ripple effects are already becoming visible globally. The destruction of the hub has far-reaching consequences. The conflict in wartime Russia has disrupted global trade. The northern trade corridor is experiencing a sharp decline. Insurance premiums for cargo in Russia have surged dramatically. The strike redirects trade away from Moscow's influence. Countries are reconsidering close economic cooperation. Russia's perception as a stable gateway is fading. This event marks a turning point in the larger conflict. It highlights the erosion of Russia's partnerships. The gamble has become a cautionary tale. This may be the first fracture in a confident alliance. Moscow needs Beijing more than ever. Beijing's confidence in Moscow is at its lowest point. The partnership shows unmistakable cracks. Infrastructure remains vulnerable in modern warfare.